Hello guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Zinda Vlogs TV guys. This is March 14, 2025 guys. I update you in the Vlogs TV guys. She's sleeping now. She's sleep. After sleep, oh, mamata ni ron guys. Lisura guys ay. lisod lisod kay guys ang mangitag kwarta guys. Lisura in English guys. Pasensya na gid mo guys kay dugo agi sa kong ilong. Nagdugo, nagsunggo iyang papa guys. So in the vlogs I update you her mother. Oh, iyang mama guys di na nako inilison guys. So mahirapan. Kus kalisod guys. Porting lisura guys, mangitag kwarta guys. Lisod pa mag in English, lisod gid mo tag kwarta guys. So yang mama guys loko-loko na. Tanaw na tong nagmata ba guys? Atong pukaon ha. Murag nagmata naman siguro ni guys. Tugtog ra ni. Mata na diha, mata na. Na, nagmata lagi guys.